I'm going to be showing you how to become a healer in Where Winds Meet. So it's actually really easy, so let's get right into it. So to become a healer in Where Winds Meet, which is also the doctor or healing profession, you must unlock and complete a special quest. So it's not automatic early on, and here's how exactly it works. So you just need to rate each level 13 or higher before healer path becomes available. So in order to reach that level, you need to constantly be completing quests, exploring and all that, and this will help you reach level 13. And after you've reached that level, you just need to start the healer quest. So you just need to be in Mercy Heart Town and northwest of Xinghe. So in order to find where that is, you have to look at the top left where you can see the map. After you've done it, so this is the whole Xinghe region, and make sure find the Merciful or Mercy Heart Town, and you just need to find an NPC called Mu Xiang, who is a doctor treating a sick person. So you just need to talk to him and start the quest Healer's Calling. And once you've done that, this will help you become a healer. And once you're a healer, you can join the Silver Needle sect to access more advanced healer roles and sect-specific missions. So in short, what you need to do is get to level 13, talk to Mu Xiang, complete the healer quest, and profession unlocked. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.